red one. And then you see the black and white one.
What are these small birds along
There's this
River?
little black birds with like white bellies that keep flying around. We're trying to Google to see what they're called, but can't see any. So if you guys are familiar with these birds, and so fast, but so tiny, like they're stuck. But if you guys know what they're called, leave it in the comments. Really, not these. They're like little black. Oh, let's see if you can catch it on camera. There you go. That one. So fast. They seem to be hunting for mosquitoes, I'm guessing, or some type of insect. Because it's right now raining. They're all over. Alright, but if you know, please leave it in the comments. Adios.